Flexibility, increased productivity, ability to find the best fitting employers, and overall better work-life balance are very good reasons why so many people opt for remote work positions. So in today's video, I'll show you 6 great websites to find remote positions that you can start working at from anywhere in the world. Now, a huge benefit for employers looking to hire remote employees is finding the best candidates regardless of their geographical position, which leads to a more diverse and more skilled workforce, and then that leads to overall success, which is everyone's primary goal. But if you've ever searched for remote work positions and you do not live in the US, you were probably disappointed, because most of these websites are only useful search tools for people who are US residents. But these platforms will give both you and your potential employer unlimited possibilities. Here at realworkfromanywhere.com, it's bye-bye remote US only jobs, because it really is real work from anywhere. It's the only fully location independent job board. They handpick every job on this site, so you can live and work anywhere. As you can see, they are sorted out as most recent go first. All of them are worldwide, and these recently posted ones kind of increase your chance of getting hired, because some employers forget to close the job opening once they hire someone, and this will make you certain that the job opening is still active. Now, here's anything from social media marketing manager, fraud team lead, senior product engineer, freelance social media toolkit and social media content, freelance graphic design, a lot of design here, brand designer, senior product designer, web designer, framer, website designer, web designer again, UX design as well. Now you can click here to search for jobs. You cannot type them in. You can only select one of these categories. And you can click here to search for jobs. Unfortunately, you cannot type them in. You can only select from one of these categories: engineer, backend, front-end, marketing, AI, ML, senior sales, copywriter, designer, full stack, quality assurance, project manager, product manager, and mobile. Most of these jobs are technology related, but you can also find sales and marketing. Of course, most jobs nowadays include technology to an extent, but some are more oriented and based on technology here. As you can see, every job opening is very detailed, so you simply click on apply and it will take you to another website to apply there. Now, of course, the good side of this website is that you can really find real work from anywhere. But the downside of it is they don't have any sort of filters. So in order to find something that will suit you, you need to click through each and every one of them and see if the description is something that interests you. But you can browse by tags, such as software. And here are all of them listed, once again, by recency. So they really do stand by their word. Bye-bye remote US only jobs, because everything here is worldwide hire. Another truly remote website and search tool to find truly remote positions is trulyremote.co. Work remotely from anywhere. Find truly global remote jobs, not limited to just one city or country. Join the best, hire the best, no matter the location. And here we have some more filters. Here you can pick specific hiring location: North America, Asia, Africa, Middle East, or worldwide, but most of them here are worldwide hires. Now, here you can search for a job title and company. The common thing with the previous website is these categories here, but here they seem to be a bit more versatile. You have HR job listings, as well as some tutor jobs, content creator as well. When you click on other, you get copy editor, senior solutions architect, writers looking for a steady, reliable income, freelance product review writer, English commentary writer, weekend writer editor, freelance language learning blog writers. So actually, yes, the job listings here are more versatile than on the previous website. A great thing is you can sign up or weekly job alerts. You can inform them on the category you're interested in, and you can get info on the go. Okay, next up is we work remotely. And as you can see right here, in order for an employer to post a job, they need to pay $299. Perhaps you haven't noticed that, but that is also the case with this first website, Real Work from Anywhere. Now, there are a lot of worldwide job openings that you're not sure are legit, but the employer here and at that first website has to pay in order to post a job, so you can be certain that these jobs are legit worldwide hires. Here as well, you can sign up to get listings sent to you every day by subscribing, and you simply go to Job Seekers Advanced Job Search. Here you enter a job title or keyword and use the filters below to get best results. That's why it's a bit more user-friendly. You can sort it as posted in the past 24 hours, past week, past 2 weeks, job categories, regions, as well as time zones, companies, job types, company size, even industry, and years remote. Is it under 1 year or 10 plus years? Right here at Job Seekers, you can also see what are the top trending remote jobs. Freelance writer, writers looking for steady, reliable income. You can see how many people applied here for all of them, as well as top 100 remote companies, which can be useful to take a look at. Clever Tech seems to hold the first place, and you can as well see how many jobs posted does each and every one of these companies have. Next website worth checking out is this one. You simply click on Find a Job, and that will take you to this search engine right here. Cool filter here is you can search for non-tech jobs. Conversation practice partner, director of customer support, campaign program manager, German customer support specialist. So customer support, design, engineering, marketing, non-tech, operations, product, sales, all other. Right here you have even a data analyst, senior analyst, data scientist, director of analytics. Most of these are data analyst jobs here when you click on all other filter. Now right here, as you can see, some of them are location specified. They are hiring people from Canada and the US or North America, but most of them are worldwide hires. And right away, unlike the other websites, right here, before even clicking on every one of them, you can see how much is your estimated annual pay going to be. Now, next up is Remote OK, and this one seems to save even more time by giving you the chance to filter them out. Here are the types of jobs you can look for: location, worldwide, salary. You can pick it by fidgeting over here, as well as another cool feature. You can select your benefits, which is something very important, especially when we're talking about jobs that are not on-site work. Anything from vision insurance, dental insurance, paid time off, company retreats, to home office budget and mental wellness budget. So you can be very, very straightforward with your demands and financial needs and every other need here. Here at the bottom, you have also a subscribe button to get new remote jobs sent to your email. Here's also a non-tech filter right here, and really a lot of them listed here. So that will save your time from scrolling and scrolling through thousands and thousands of job listings, clicking on every one of them and seeing if they suit you. Now, the last one, you probably know this, and you probably even have a profile here. It's LinkedIn. Now here, when you look for remote or worldwide hires, you can pick, is it posted in the past 24 hours or any time? You can also click and find a specific company. You can select your job type. Is it full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, or even volunteer? Experience level, internship, entry level to director, and is it on-site or remote? And LinkedIn is not just a good search website. It is good because it allows you to create a detailed profile. It allows you to add your CV, to add your experience and your education. And all in all, it's a detailed profile that gets sent to an employer you are applying to. And then they get all the important info on you, and you do not need to add those information inside of a cover letter that you're sending, and you do not need to write a specific personalized cover letter every time you're applying for a job. Now, here at flexjobs.com, you can find advantages of working from home. It's a better work-life balance, less commute stress, location independence, improved inclusivity, money savings, impact on sustainability, a customizable office because you work from home, increased productivity and performance, and overall a happier, healthier work life. Now, these websites I've shown you are really useful tools in case remote positions are something that interests you, and location does not have to stop you from working remotely. Now, I don't know which field you're interested in, but I would really give it a shot. Remember, there is nothing to lose, only to gain. Good luck and thanks for watching.